metal cladding works and how it is done on the Parson collection, or anything which is metal cladded on wood or MDF. As you can see, this is raw MDF without having anything on the surface. We will be now gluing this surface in the next step. This is the next step where the surface MDF is being glued using the brush, and there is a marking which is done right on the top so that the sheets can be pasted accordingly. You can see here that this is a white metal sheet and having glue on this side and without glue on this side, which will now be pasted on the glued surface of MDF. As you can see that both the surface which were glued now are being put together, and this is how they do the adjustment. And once the adjustment and the placing is right, they will start doing the pasting using this tool. This is how the pasting is done, and this all is done by hands. There is no machine or any electric tools is being used. It's all hand tools. This is another product, green beer chest, which we are doing, and this is how the sheet is being cut and pasted on the separate parts. For example, we are now doing in here, and then it will be done here and here, and all the remaining parts of this drawer. And it is made by the artisans who are expert in this, and they come from a specific area. And they are now cutting the sheet, and after the making in size, they will do the pasting. To give the hammering effect in this white metal cladding, this is the tool which is used. It has this kind of things made already on this, and is hit by the hammer, and this is how it is done. This is the final effect of hammering on a face of a drawer. This is how the final piece comes out, and as you can see, these are done all by hands, and this should not be considered as a defect. It's smooth, plain, and you can touch your hands anywhere. It doesn't hurt you, and this is how all the pieces are made and checked one by one by the authorized person. He is checking each and every piece that goes out of the factory, and it is checked before it is given to the packing. There's one more thing which I want to share is that these are the hammer marks, and this part is not hammered, it is just nailed on the corners. This is done by making a groove on the MDF, and then the sheet is pasted, and that automatically makes this lines here, which is part of the design, and it looks very beautiful.